Hello everyone, welcome to Infotech Final Solution. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start coding with Java. If you've never coded anything in your life, don't worry, we're going to start from the very beginning. I encourage you to sit back and relax. To start coding with Java, you'll need two things: a Java Development Kit, also known as a JDK. A JDK contains a compiler. A compiler will compile your source code, your written code, into bytecode, which can run on a machine. You'll also need an Integrated Development Environment, IDE. An IDE is a fancy term for a workspace in which we can write code, because sometimes Notepad just doesn't cut it. Downloading the JDK. We'll get started by downloading a JDK. Okay, here's how to download the JDK. You can easily just Google or do a search for JDK download. We're going to use the one by Oracle, so we'll click on this link. We will download the latest JDK version. As of the filming of this video, we're on JDK 23. Look for your operating system. I'm running Windows. I will download the 64-bit installer. Then we just have to wait for it to download. Open this executable, select Next. Next, our JDK has been successfully installed. Thank you for watching. Let's meet the next session.